So I'm going to do a test here to show the amount of power that this ground cable that goes from the negative to the body. Here's my test setup. I've got a voltmeter with a plus here. The probe is pressed against the post, and then the negative side here is against the chassis, you know, with that roach clip there. And then the load tester goes from, you know, the plus of the battery, and it connects here to the chassis of the car. And so when I turn this knob here, you'll see the amps rise. You know, there's 100, 200, 300, 400 amps. And then here is the voltage of the battery, of course. You'll see that drop. Okay, so let's see what happens. And you can watch the voltage drop coordinate with the amps that are going through this wire to ground. So here you go. Okay, there's 100-ish, 200, 300. There's 400, almost 375. Okay, that's enough. All right, so you saw the voltage as a result of the amps.